another. Your birdie paws are a bit sharp. Who knows? His hair knows. Right here. He's got very sharp feet. I think his nails need a bit of a trim. What's he doing to my ear? You doing something to my ear? What are you doing? Squawker? Birdie, birdie, birdie. Birdie, birdie. He knows that whistle a little bit. He does. He's got his own variant of it. He doesn't feel like whistling right now, though. I think he's a little bit high energy, like he's been lately. You're a good boy, though. You're a good boy. Yes, that's a good boy. Squawker's a good boy. Yes, you're always a good boy. Even when you're not a good boy, you're a good boy. Because you're always my good boy. Yeah. Oh. You make your squeaky noises. You make a squeaky. Geez, why'd you make a squeaky noise? Squeak? What's that for? Oh, is that right? Oh, I'm sorry. I'm sorry, did I offend you? Huh? Is that right? I think he's a little bit irritated. I don't know why he's so irritated. You right? Okay. I'll put you back in your cage in a few minutes, yeah? Sound good? I'm sorry, I don't mean to stress you out. You're a good boy. I love you. Yes. Yes, he's very high energy. And apparently a little bit cranky too. Cranky bird much. So yeah.